Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video and another episode of what every cruiser wants. Got 3 new cruise comments for you this week, so let's jump right in with the first one. Self-assist does not work and should be put on the scrap heap. Elevators are jam-packed with passengers and their luggage. The result is that those of us who have put their bags outside the room are left waiting. If everyone did this, the control would be better, and those of us that have tag number 1 would actually be the first off the ship. All right, so this person wants to scrap self-assist. Now, self-assist, in case you don't know, is when you disembark the cruise ship and you take your luggage off with you. Or you have the option to put your luggage out in the hallway the night before disembarkation, and the cruise line will take the luggage off of the ship for you and you pick it up in the cruise terminal. Now, if you've ever been on a cruise, disembarkation, it's pretty chaotic. It normally is. You're gonna have people rushing to get off of the ship, crowding around the gangway, the hallways, the elevators. It is just part of disembarkation. But for someone to believe that the cruise line should just scrap self-assist, that you should not be allowed to get off the ship with your own luggage because you get to get off first, and instead they have tag number 1 and everybody should have to put their luggage out in the hallway and they should be first to get off. Well, if you want to be one of the first ones to get off the ship, I say that you should carry your luggage off the ship and you can be closer to the front instead of waiting. Now, if you put your luggage out in the hallway and you get a luggage tag, you're still going to have to wait because the cruise line still has to take your luggage off the ship, get it into the cruise terminal before they're going to let you get off. So you're not going to get off any faster by having a luggage tag than you are by waiting for the self-assist to get off before they call your number anyway. But of course, like always, let me know what you think. Should they do away with self-assist when getting off of the cruise ship, and should it be luggage tag only? That way this person with tag number 1 can get off first. All right, let's move on to comment number 2. This is an individual who wanted something given to them, wanted something for free, and when it wasn't provided, they weren't too happy. Let's take a look. We just got back today from the Paradise. We had asked you for a ship on a stick. We did receive a bottle of champagne and some strawberries, but no trophy. Thanks, but the ship on the stick is more fun, so we are utterly disappointed. So you wanted something for free. Didn't get what you wanted for free. I mean, you still got some other stuff for free. Got a champagne, you got strawberries, didn't have to pay for those items, but you were just really disappointed, ruined your whole cruise that you weren't given a ship on a stick. All I can really say about this one is I guess different people cruise for different reasons. I don't cruise for the free stuff that they're going to give me, and if the cruise lines happen to give me something for free, whether it's a bottle of champagne, some strawberries, whatever the case may be, hey, you know what? I'm just happy to get it. It's something I didn't pay for. Doesn't even really matter what it is, at least not to me, because my cruise will not be bitterly disappointed based on whether or not I get a ship on a stick for free. But you guys let me know what you think. If the cruise lines don't provide you that free item, are you going to be bitterly disappointed on your next cruise? Now, for this last comment, this would not necessarily be an unreasonable request, but the way you ask for something, the way that you request something can make a huge amount of difference in whether or not someone's going to help you fulfill that request or they're just going to kind of blow you off. If you ask nicely, politely, inquire about it in a nice manner, the cruise lines and the crew members, well, you know, the chances of them working with you are going to go way up if you're nice about it than if you're demanding. And that's where I think this particular person went wrong. But let's take a look. Every family is different. Everybody is different. While you may not agree with bringing a game system for your child, some may choose to do so. A vacation is getting away and relaxing. If that's how my 11-year-old wants to relax, so be it. Everyone parents differently. Just remember that. I need a guarantee from Carnival that they will have a worker to help plug in his PlayStation 5 console system or not. There should be an easy way for all children to have this ability in the rooms on all of your cruise ships. Children want this, and if you are the family line, you should do so without thinking. So, see what I mean? I think it's all in the way you phrase the question. Had you gotten on board the cruise ship, asked your room steward for some assistance, and said, hey, can I get some help plugging this PlayStation 5 in because that's how you want to cruise? You probably would have gotten a lot further than writing in demanding a guarantee that a worker is standing by to do what you want to do. You may not be playing that PlayStation 5 on your upcoming cruise. And while I don't disagree with the statement that people can vacation they want to vacation, of course they can. But is there really such a demand that Carnival should redo their TVs to make sure there is a way to plug in gaming consoles while on board cruises? You guys gonna have to let me know about that part below. Do you think you should be able to plug a gaming station into every TV on board every one of their cruise ships? Is there that much of a demand for this that this is something Carnival should look at? Let me know in the comments below. All right, and that is going to be our video for today for what every cruiser wants. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow, and we'll let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone has a really great day and a really great weekend. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.